Video is part of the GiantLeap project, how to install Windows X2Go client software. Your server is up and running. How do you gain access? For GiantLeap, we use X2Go software with SSH security key. To install the X2Go client software, we're going to make a temporary network database connection, copy software that's already on the server, and paste that software into our workstation. After that, we'll discuss a few setup options. We're going to get that client software from the server using File Explorer to map a network drive. Type in the GiantLeap server IP address and choose the client's folder from the server database. Look inside the GiantLeap package. Select All and Copy. Disconnect from the server database. We can paste our files anywhere, choosing the Downloads area today. Paste into the destination. Run GiantLeap bat and enter a username like Work01. Your application screen shows up in under 30 seconds. Options. You could create a desktop shortcut. You could name that shortcut too. Probably a good idea. You could put the username in automatically. And if you're working remotely, you probably need the IP address changed. It's in the options of the client software. You start up GiantLeap.bat and you don't say anything. I recommend using a desktop icon with preset user. That makes the user experience seamless and easy. For remote users, you could distribute USB flash drives with the client software on it. Remember, the client software includes the SSH security key for your server. My name is Mike Gallets. Email mikeg@giantdatabase.com.